Good morning. It is Saturday and I am on my way to go and jog, run, walk the bridge. I'm taking my boys with me also and the babies too. I'm gonna see how this goes. It rained, so I don't know if the ground's gonna be wet, but I want to get it out the way early so I can continue with my day because I got a few things planned for the day. And it's September already? September 1st? Mm-hmm. September 1st, so happy September. Anyway, you'll see this in September anyway, because regardless. But anyway, yeah, that's my plan right now. So I'm gonna go do that, and yeah, that's it. Good morning. Say good morning. Say wait.
And out till the end, don't need to pretend. Again and again, we'll stick together.
So wait, wake up watch. Oh, well, I need to stop the watch. That's actually not accurate. Let's take 10 minutes off of that because I was putting the kids in the car. But that is my total distance and time and all that jazz as according to Apple Watch. Even though my watch wasn't tight, it like comes on and off. So like my heart rate went on and off and stuff. So I don't know, but yeah. Now I get to continue my day. Got a lot planned. So we're going to Wawa for these people. They're going to get a sandwich. Yeah. Me, I'm intermittent fasting actually, so I'm not eating until 12 o'clock or after. Yeah. And I'll show you, it's not bad. I'm not hungry. And I'll show you what my first meal is going to be. So stay tuned.
In New York, do you Millie rock?
What is that?
Uncle Millie rocks in New York.
What are you talking about?
In New York, do you
I know
Millie
New York.
Do you Millie rock?
Millie rock?
Yeah.
What is that?
Hey guys, so it's lunchtime and I'm very late for lunch. I actually broke my fast with a banana in the car today. Yeah, my hair is like messy, but anyway, yeah, so I'm breaking my fast. Well, I actually broke my fast today with a banana in the car because I was out, and that was about 1 o'clock. Right now it is 2:30. So I am going to make I'm gonna show you really quick. This is going to be something similar. I don't have a name for it, but it will be something similar to what I would call like steak and onions or pepper steak. There you go, pepper steak. So I'm gonna be using the baby bell mushrooms, onion, a green pepper, nutritional yeast. Now if you don't know what nutritional yeast is, it's very good. It actually, some people say it substitutes as a cheese flavor, but it's very high in B vitamins and it gives you a source of protein also. And I'm going to be using this Pure Blends coconut oil that I got from Publix. I actually bought this one in the avocado last time and I ran out of both. They were really good, so I'm gonna use that. And I'm going to be using the almond milk for my base. Now with something like this, you can have it with the rice. Because I am losing shedding pounds, I'm going to skimp out on the rice. If I do, I might have a little bit, maybe a quarter cup with it, but I'm just gonna beef up on vegetables. You can also, stuff like this, you can add like string beans in it and everything like that. So let me get to making it so I can eat it, and it doesn't take long at all. But so what I'm going to do right now is heat up my pan. It's a Copper Chef pan. I'm going to melt some of the coconut oil, spread into the pan while I chop up my onions and my green peppers to start that going. So yeah, I don't like cutting up onions because they make your hands stinky. So I'm pretty sure they're like hacks and stuff to how not to make onions stink up your hands, but I don't know any right now. This stuff here has 6 grams of fat, and this is for 1 teaspoon, so 6 grams of fat. So I'm going to, I'm really not good about measuring anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and measure this out because like I've said, like I feel like I just kind of eat what I want intuitively, but I'm trying to reach a goal here, so I intuitively have to not eat what I want right now. What I'm gonna do here is cut this. And then what I do with that is I just go around in a circle to get that little pit out. Those are the peppers, so I'll have those going. And lunch is my biggest meal of the day. I've always really been like that forever. Like, I really love lunch. So yeah, I'm going to go and wash these off, and I'm gonna go wash these off, and I'll be right back. So I did not add any more fat to this, and they seem to be doing okay, so I'm gonna leave them like that. As you can see, I have my everything in here together, having a party, and I'm gonna let it sit. I did not add any more fat to this. I keep saying that because I feel like I know I add a lot of fat to my stuff now that I think about it, but I want to see what it does just with that amount that I added to it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it down to like a simmer and cover it just to let it soften up a little bit and let the moisture come out of the mushroom. It's lunchtime. Are you gonna let me eat? Yeah, you're gonna let me eat? This is lunch today. It is yeah, I just showed you how I made it. It's pepper. I actually wound up using only a half cup of rice. I didn't want to do a whole cup of rice, and I just bulked up on more vegetables. I'm gonna eat this and continue on with my day. It is now 5:31, and I got hungry, so I'm having bananas with almond butter. It's not bad. What's wrong with it? Whatever. No, we don't play with these. Thanks. Because I'm gonna eat these, and then in about an hour or so I'll have dinner. But yeah, this is actually 2 bananas.
Should have fallen off my camera, like.
Do you like the bananas? Do you like the bananas, Rachel? Here, try another. Yes, it's very good. Here, try another one. Want some more? Say, yummy, yummy.
Like, get that in my face now.
Do you want some more?
Fire dry.
Give me kisses. Ooh. Okay. So, I'm gonna end my vlog today here. I guess what I eat in a day. Oh, ow, Ryan, you can pull my hair off. What I eat in a day. Yeah, I'm going, actually, no, I didn't show you my last meal, which is going to be a smoothie for the night. I'm not extremely hungry. Be nice, Ryan. Be nice. Be nice. Alright.
93. He buys yours.
Say goodnight. Okay, he said goodnight. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.